Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. All categories of fuel will increase effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will see 25 cents being added to today's prices. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by 71 cents. Kerosene will, however, fall by 73 cents. 25 cents will be added to the cost of propane, while butane falls by 25 cents. Petrol stations will make these adjustments and their markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. At the conclusion of foreign exchange trading today, the US dollar was selling for an average $158.32. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.40. $197.70 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $163.16. The JSE index declined by 1,537 points, while the junior market index advanced by 5 points. There were only 35 winners today, which included Caribbean Cream, Key Insurance, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Regency Petroleum, and T-Tech. The 48 losing shares included JPS 7%, Medical Disposables and Supplies, JMMB 7.25% preference shares, Productive Business 10.5% preference shares, and General Accident. 22 stocks traded firm. As the winter tourist season reaches its peak, there are concerns that the current weather in the United States could impact arrivals. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says extreme winter weather conditions in the United States is posing a challenge for the island's winter tourist season.
Conditions in the U.S. and some of our main gateways have impacted the flow of arrivals for the first month and a half.
However, the minister says he remains optimistic about the resilience of the tourism sector, which he says is positive news is already on the horizon. Avella Airlines on Wednesday launched its first scheduled international route between Jamaica's Sangster International Airport and the Triangles Airport in Raleigh-Durham in North Carolina. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.